Hey there, friends. Adrian here, your friendly neighborhood AI enthusiast. Today we're diving into the world of Luma AI Dream Machine, the latest tool that's making waves in the video creation universe. It's like having a Hollywood studio in your pocket, minus the overpriced lattes and inflated egos. But hold on to your pixels because Luma AI Dream Machine is here to prove that AI can actually make you look good. Before we dive in, let me address the three burning questions I know you have. Is it actually any good? Can I afford it without selling my kidney in the black market? And is it easier to use than trying to teach my cat to fetch? It creates high-quality videos from text and images, maintains character consistency, and even lets you play director with camera and lighting movements. They've recently added the ability to use images as keyframes, while other AI tools are still in the coming soon phase. I'm looking at you, OpenAI. Luma AI is here and ready to party. 4 stars for features. Now onto output. With the new keyframe feature, Luma gives you more control than a helicopter parrot. But fair warning, the animation between the frames can be as unpredictable as a cat on catnip. It's a solid 4 stars for output because let's face it, a little unpredictability keeps life interesting. Cost-wise, the free plan lets you create 30 videos a month, which is more than enough to annoy your entire social media following. Paid plans start at $29 a month. Cheaper than my coffee addiction. 5 stars for not requiring a second mortgage. Usability? It's simpler than a goldfish's daily planner, but like that same goldfish, you don't have much control over where you're swimming. 4 stars for usability because sometimes less is more, except when it comes to pizza toppings. Finally, speed. On the free plan, it's like watching paint dry, if the paint was creating masterpieces. Recent tests took about 30 minutes per render, which is just enough time to question all of your life choices. 3 stars for speed because patience is a virtue, but so is instant gratification. Overall, Luma AI Dream Machine gets a solid 4 stars for me. It's not perfect, but it's what we have. It's available. It can be used, unlike some other well-publicized video generators. Now, friends, if you enjoyed this roller coaster ride through the world of AI video creation, do me a solid and smash that like button harder than I smash the snooze button on Monday mornings. And if you want more of this scintillating content delivered straight to your eyeballs, hit that subscribe button faster than I hit agree on those terms and conditions I never read. Until next time, keep dreaming those AI dreams, and remember, in the world of technology, we're all just highly sophisticated toasters. Stay crispy, my friend.